Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making antipasto squares. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a cookie sheet. I put a piece of parchment paper over top of. I'm going to put a little bit of spray on this, vegetable spray. Now I have a can of crescent rolls here. We're just going to open this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out on the cookie sheet. Want to unroll your crescent rolls and spread them out on there. Okay, now that my crescent rolls all spread, I'm going to go ahead and pinch the little seams together, pinch them closed. You just want to lightly pinch them to close them. You don't need them. Press this down a little bit, spread it out some. You don't need to have big raised bumps, you just want to close them. And we're spreading out our crescent rolls a little bit. And what this is going to be, guys, it's going to be like a baked sandwich, almost like a pizza in a way without the sauce. It'll be real quick, easy, and delicious. Okay, that's looking good. Alright, now that I have my crescent roll all spread out and pinched together, I'm going to start putting my ingredients inside. I'm going to start with this is some deli ham. It's a cooked ham or baked ham. Any kind of ham will work great. Just don't do chopped ham. Chopped ham is kind of crappy. I'm going to go ahead and lay like 3 slices in here. I'm going to put down some sliced provolone cheese. And guys, it's going to be really tasty and cheesy. You just want to lay your stuff in here. Now I have some sliced pepperoni. Just go ahead and put pepperoni all throughout here. Okay, now that I have all of my pepperoni on here, you can see it's loaded with pepperoni, guys. I'm going to put another layer of ham on here. You know what, first I'm going to put a layer of mozzarella cheese in there. We just put provolone on, now we're going to put some mozzarella on here. These are going to be delicious. Alright, 2 more slices should do us on the mozzarella. And now that layer of ham. I'm going to take some sliced pepperoncini peppers. Just go ahead and sprinkle them all over there, guys. And they don't have to be fancy, just as long as they're on there. And pepperoncinis, guys, I like pepperoncini peppers. They have a little bit of kick to them, but they're not the type of pepper that's going to burn your mouth for 2 hours and have you chewing on butter bread or drinking milk. Give a nice little kick. Looking good. I'm going to take my next can of crescent rolls and get them on there, guys. Okay, guys, now that I have my top crescent rolls on, I'm going to pinch the sides shut a little bit. Spread this out. Now the tops I'm going to leave open a little bit because we want some steam to escape. This doesn't become a soggy mess in there, and everything browns up nice and it doesn't break all open all over the place. Alright, now I'm going to take, you brush some olive oil on there. I'm going to take the easy way. I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable spray on there. And I'm going to take a little bit of oregano. Let's put a little bit of oregano on there. Now I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven uncovered for 35 minutes. So my crescent rolls bake through, everything heats through on the inside. If that starts to brown up too quick, I'll cover it with foil, but we'll see how it does. Alright guys, this is done. It actually only took a half hour rather than 35 minutes. Let's cut into it quick and see how it looks. Guys, it kind of reminds me of a big stromboli. See how nice that looks, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. Now this would be awesome dipped in some marinara sauce, which I don't have any of. You see the crust is nice and flaky and crusty, nice and cheesy. Whoop, get in and taste it. That's really good, guys. It tastes a lot like a stromboli. And you see it wasn't that hard. Guys, Dexter's quiet tonight because he knows tomorrow's Thanksgiving and he's in mourning, so try to sympathize with him. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. There you have it, Antipasto Squares. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.